Hi and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today I have this egg carton which was lying around my house for a long time. So I'm making some flowers. I'll make two home decorations from this. So for the first one I'm making two types of flower. One is with this portion which I'm cutting into four uh, sides, and then I'll give it a shape of petal. The next one is the bowl, the egg holder. I'm again making four petals, and I'll give the shape of um, the petals. I've cut from the corners of the bowl. Now I'm going to first color them with white because it has got a color of its own. So if you directly put your first color, then it won't bring out that color. So I have painted it white first, and then I've put my purple color, and this is how it looks. So I've made some purple and some violet color, and I've arranged this in this increasing order. So in this order only I will um, tie threads inside them and tie knots. So this is the one, and this way I've done all the rest of them, increasing one every time. And then I've taken this thread which is of the size of my door where I will be hanging this, and I'm going to tie one by one all of them. So I put this way. The next one is I'll show you a few different flower shapes from this particular single egg crate. So from the first bowl I'll cut the corners and again make 8 petals here. So I've cut the corners and also between the corners, and now I've got 8 petals. I'm giving them the petal shapes. Now for this portion I'll just cut the corners, but not fully. I'll cut the corners halfway, and again give the petal shape. Now from the side portion I've taken this long strip, and I'll make the center for this 8 petal flower. I have moved that. Now from another bowl I am again making 4 petals, but this time I'll make sharp pointed petals. I'll make 2 of them and stick on top of each other. one on top of the other, this way. And from the pointed side I'll cut short and make the center. Now the next one I'm trying to make a rose out of this. So from one bowl I'll cut 3 petals this time. And see, this is how it looks. And now from the side, which has a long strip, I'll just fold it and keep it in the center. I'm giving some petal-like shapes for this one. Now for this one also I'll first color it with white paint, and then I will do different colors for different flowers. Sorry, this went out of my camera. So now I'm going to stick all this together. These are the roses. This looks beautiful. I've also cut out some leaves. So I'm now going to hot glue them. I'll add this 6-inch sticks on the bottom of all the flowers. Now I'm going to color this hot glue and the stick also with the green color that I use for the leaves. And this is it. Thanks for watching till the end. Hope you have all liked it. Please hit the like button if you do, and share it with your friends and family. Thanks.